Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make another good tailgating recipe. How about pepperoni pizza roses? Like pizza rolls that look like roses.
All right, let's make pepperoni pizza roses. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we'll show you how to make a bouquet to give to someone that they can eat while they're watching a football game or something. Anyways, today we are making pepperoni pizza roses. It should be a little pepperoni pizza roll that looks like a rose. It should be awesome. It should be pretty easy. Should come together really quick and should be really delicious. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so we start by grating some mozzarella cheese. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax and some Parmesan. And we set that aside. Preheat your oven to 375 and get out a tube of these crescent roll dough thingies, whatever, you know. And you know the drill. Peel the outer paper, give it a whack, and then just open it up. Oh my God, that's not supposed to happen, but oh well. Okay, and then we just unroll this guy. Last time we did this, we were using the triangles. This time we want rectangles. So you wanna take your rectangles, if they fell apart like mine did, just kind of pinch the seams like this, so you have a nice sort of rectangle here. Pinch, 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 press, 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 ha ha ha. Ideally, you got some nice, like, even rectangles. These are just kind of I don't know why. Anyways, whatever. We work with what we got. Then we take a pizza cutter and cut each of them into 3 strips lengthwise. So about 1 inch thick each. And then we just take some pizza sauce or some marinara sauce, pasta sauce, whatever. You can make your own. This is just marinara sauce because it's what I got. And just spread a little bit out on each of these guys. Doesn't need to be too much. I would say just a light, even coating. Then seasoning of your choice. You want to use some Italian seasoning? Go for it. I'm just going to dust these guys with a little bit of oregano and a little bit of basil. Then we give them each just a little bit of mozzarella. We don't want to overload it. How much time you want to spend making these look pretty is really up to you. Then a little Parmesan. Then we're just going to place our pepperonis with about a 50% overlap. These are already kind of curled, so this is going to be a little bit difficult, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Basically, you want the bottoms kind of lined up with one side, and then we want the tops poking out, and that's how it's going to make our little rose. So then we take this guy, and we carefully just roll him up. A little rose. And then we just put this into a greased muffin tin. Then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And I ran out of pepperoni, so the last one, someone special, gets salami. I don't even know if this is gonna work, but whatever. We'll give it a try. Salami rose. Look at that. That's my salami rose. Woohoo! Then you clean up the disaster that you just created. And there we have our beautiful pepperoni pizza rolls with our 1 salami roll. So we're gonna throw this into the oven until golden and a little puffed out. Should take 10 to 15 minutes. I'll let you know how much when we're done. And here's our guys right out of the oven. Look, they look like little roses. That's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna let these cool for a minute because they are hot AF, and I think the cheese is probably like lava. So just a few minutes. And there we have our pepperoni pizza roses and 1 salami rose. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. What do you think? You think this is a 1-biter or a 2-biter like I did? Let me know in the comments if you would do a 1 bite or 2 bites. Look, it's really good. It's a really cool appetizer because it looks so pretty. Look at it. I mean, come on. You could give your girl or boyfriend a bouquet of pizza roses. No, it's really good. It tastes like a pizza roll. Pepperoni probably makes the most sense, but you could add other stuff or whatever you want to do. But hey, I say it's a huge winner. The presentation's super cool, so put it out for appetizers for like a holiday party or a game day party, whatever you're doing. Or like I said with the last thing we made, or one of the last things we made, I don't know, I can't keep track. Just make a bunch and eat them all. I won't tell anyone. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Just been holding down the fort. What would you do without me?
Well, check it out. We made these pepperoni pizza rolls that you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's a huge winner. Delicious, cheesy, pepperoni-y bite-sized pizza rolls with a lovely presentation. Best tasting flour I've ever eaten.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
That's the thing about sailing. One never knows what awaits you on that yonder shore.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, awesome dish for appetizers to serve at or bring to any sort of a gathering or party. You got a holiday party. You're having people over to watch the game. A few months from now, you're doing a Super Bowl thing. Serve these because they're delicious and they look cool. And people think, oh, wow, they spent so much time on these. But you're like, yeah, no, I didn't. But that's okay. You could pretend that you did. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, hype, comment, ring the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and that should taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out our other party type dishes. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.